The 2009 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, running boards, traction control, power steering, cruise control, fog lights, power door locks, child safety locks, power windows, daytime running lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.